Hey, Isa,
Oh, hello.
what are you doing? What?
I'm just sending my another garden now. Look at it.
Oh,
It's already clean, right?
yeah.
Before it, I already cut off the grass here. Just look at it. We
Oh,
have some of a pile of a grass here.
Yeah.
Many of it. And also, I'm really interesting here. I'm
Yeah.
really curious that I want to tell you about this garden. Especially, we make it for Topworking.
oh. So in this area or in this garden,
All of them are Topworking.
all of the trees
Almost
is
all of them. And also, you know what, guys? You know pineapple?
yeah.
Fully pineapple under the sea.
Whoa.
SpongeBob SquarePants, right?
Yeah.
We have a lot of pineapple trees
Oh yeah.
plant here.
Oh,
Many of it.
I want to see it.
You want to see it?
Yeah.
Wait, I want to show you this first.
What is it?
It's the hash fruit. Oh, it's the buccaneer.
Oh.
Hey, wait, I forgot. I can tell from the list it's not buccaneer. It's with 7
Oh, put 7.
because the plant tell me, oh, Esa, you're wrong. It's
Oh.
with 7.
Oh yeah,
Oh my
yeah.
god, you didn't know about me. It's okay because it's been long enough since I visited this garden
Yeah.
and I started losing my memories about this. See, but
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's okay.
Stop working,
Oh, that's the result of stop working.
Yep, because the main trees are being cut here
Yeah.
and look at it.
Oh.
We top work in here.
Yeah, yeah. I see. I see. All right. All right.
Yeah. So look at it. It's the result of top working, guys. So we mix two type of avocado or any plants to be in just one trees.
Oh.
Isn't it interesting?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
We have more than it, not just one.
Okay.
The next
These are
is
the others.
look at it. Look at it. We have two type of variety of avocado here.
Yeah.
The first one is Hass, and the
Hass?
second one is Buccaneer.
Buccaneer. Oh.
You know what? Where's the Hass?
What is the has?
If you can guess it,
Yeah.
the Hass is almost so wider, right?
Wider.
It must be the Hass.
Oh.
And the straightforward one, this
Yeah.
one, that being spotted by the bamboo,
Yeah, I see.
is the Buccaneer.
Buccaneer.
So-
Okay.
Merging
Alright.
two varieties of avocado can be do by two type, okay, or two method.
Two method.
The first one is, of course, crafting,
Yeah.
and the second one is top working.
Top working. Oh, yeah.
That guys, and it's really bright today.
Yeah.
But
That you want to show me
I really fun.
the others. Oh, yeah. Oh,
It's a top working here.
top working here.
Look at it. That's a slightly pretty because
yeah.
we mix it here.
Oh. So the trees is not so high, right?
Yeah, it's not that so high, so we cut the main trees before, and after that we mix it with
Yeah.
the
That's great.
different varieties of avocado.
All right.
You also really curious about the pineapple
Yeah.
because some of our pineapple here is already bursting in fruit.
Yeah.
Here's the if you never seen a pineapple
Tree.
plant before,
Okay.
here's the plant.
Oh, yeah.
It looks
Yeah.
like a pandan if you know it,
Oh, yeah. Okay.
but the smell of it is not like a pandan. It's different.
All
So
right.
you know, guys, our different garden is almost the same with the forest now. We
Yeah.
stumble with the forest.
Yeah. Yeah. I see. Oh, look at that.
It's beside of the forest.
Oh.
It's always beautiful, right?
Yeah.
And look at it. I use a nice suit, and there's also a forest here. Many coffee, of course,
Oh, yeah.
below us. There's many coffee here,
Coffee. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I see. All right.
and also this one. I forgot what the variety of it, but we already got it
Oh, yeah.
because it's already too high. And
Okay.
Too old.
Too old. Yeah.
Oh my god, guys! Just remember when I want to tell you about the pineapple.
Yeah. Oh, there is it.
It's already almost producing a fruit.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the color.
Yeah.
Like it's green, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's
yeah.
not like a usual pineapple. You know?
Yeah. Yeah.
Have you ever seen a pink pineapple before?
Yeah.
And I think it's the one because we have a lot of varieties of pineapple here. Not
Oh,
just
yeah.
one.
This is one.
But yeah, I also tried before it.
Yeah. What? But that's taste.
It's sweet.
Oh.
It's tangy.
Mm.
I love the sweetness of it.
Oh,
It's a
yeah.
pure sugar, you know.
Pure sugar.
Yeah. And the thorn itself didn't hurting my tongue,
Oh.
so I can eat all of them with the skin.
Wow.
I'm crazy, but it's the reality. I have eaten with the skin in it.
All
And
right.
it's really good. Look at it, guys.
Oh, how green this avocados trees. My gosh.
Bukan I guess.
Yeah, you're right.
Bukan
You're right.
because it's been a long time, guys, since I visited this garden.
Yeah.
I started losing the memories in it.
Oh,
I just think like this garden is almost all of it
yeah.
pineapple.
Oh,
We also have some experiment with Topworking here
yeah.
with avocado, of course, because we love avocado.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Oh,
There's many stem here,
yeah. I see.
and also
Oh, is that?
it's the Topworking here.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
that's the
yes,
line, right?
that's
So we cut the main trees here.
okay. All right.
We cut and we mix it with pumpkin.
You mix it
Yeah,
so one tree can be.
a lot of varieties in it.
Oh.
So one tree can contain a lot of varieties.
Mm.
It's almost the same with crafting, but like I tell you before in the previous video,
Yeah.
the Topworking is meant for the branches.
Oh.
branches.
Yeah. Yeah. I see. I see.
You see it, right? You
All
see
right.
what I'm pointing. Come on here. There's many, right?
Yeah.
Also, oh my god, guys, I love pineapple. That's why I plant many pineapple there. Look at that. There's many pineapple
Oh,
there.
yeah.
Oh my god, sadly, but that's already being eaten by squirrel, I guess.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Here's
Oh, there's many squirrel here. Oh my gosh.
because our garden is all beside of the forest,
Yeah.
so it's normal to have a squirrel.
Oh,
Look at that.
squirrel. You got that. Wow. Yo.
Look at it.
Wow.
It's a scratching by squirrel here.
Yeah.
Oh my god. The smell of it is really sweet, you know. But
Yeah.
we didn't need to be sad because look at it. It's
more.
almost ripe now.
Oh yeah.
It's started changing the color until more whitish now,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
It will change the color until it's yellow, a perfect yellow, you know.
I see. I see. I see.
We also
Oh.
already clean our grass here.
Yeah.
It's also another type of avocado that we already doing Topworking.
Yeah.
Oh my god, guys. It always makes me curious, you know. That's why I started to lose all my work because it's been a long time since I visited this garden and it's not changed at all.
Yeah.
It's still curiosity, all of the curiosity is still here.
Yeah. Yeah. I
I'm
see.
wondering anything in here.
Oh my gosh. Oh, how beautiful your garden is. Look at that.
It's a young banana.
Young banana.
We can use the middle part of it as a fertilizer,
Mm-hmm.
but in the next video, guys.
Oh,
Let's start
okay.
first. So, stick it here so we can make it in the next video. Guys, yesterday we got also a comment that what's the mixture, fresh mixture of a plant, right?
Yeah.
Of fertilizer. So we're gonna make it. Look at it. It's also a different type of pineapple here. Look at the colors.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
like a chocolate, right?
Is it? Oh, yeah, that's right. Like a chocolate.
The taste of it must be sweet.
Yeah.
And also, guys, maybe after this we're gonna pick up some fruit.
Oh,
We found. Let's see.
The ripe one?
Already ripe.
yeah, the ripe. Okay.
I will pick it up for
And you
guys.
can taste it.
Yeah. You know, guys, we not just plant avocado in one of our garden here,
Mhm.
but we plant avocado everywhere
Oh.
because our specialty is in avocado.
Oh, yeah.
I love to search more about the variety of avocado,
Because superfood, right?
superfood, and you know, it's just fun to plant an avocado.
Yeah.
It's also expensive. If you want to be a businessman, that would be really profitable. You know,
Yeah.
there must be a lot of person that want to be a businessman, right?
All right. Yeah. Of
So start
course.
gardening now,
Oh.
not just laying up in your
Okay.
home and doing nothing, just playing your phone and you didn't cut nothing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Start to
I
do
see.
something new, lads.